Introducing INDOMAKE INSM 300. STPL 3D's state-of-the-art Selective Laser Melting (SLM) machine, engineered for precision, performance, and industrial scalability. Built with cutting-edge IPG laser technology, the INSM 300 delivers unmatched power and accuracy. At its core, a dual 500-watt fiber laser ensures superior melting and rapid production. The advanced ScanLab Galvo scanning system enables high-speed, high-accuracy laser positioning, creating intricate and high-strength metal components with ease. Powered by a robust Siemens controller, the INSM 300 guarantees seamless operation, stability, and precision with an intuitive, user-friendly interface. With an ample build volume of 250 by 250 by 300 mm, INSM 300 is designed for industries that demand high-performance parts. SLM enables intricate geometries, superior strength, and lightweight components with unmatched accuracy. This powerhouse machine caters to aerospace, automotive, medical, and industrial applications. Compatible with a wide range of materials, including stainless steel, aluminium, titanium, and advanced alloys, INSM 300 ensures durability and performance for even the most demanding industries. Precision powder recoating system ensures uniform material distribution, enhancing layer consistency and improving print quality for reliable and repeatable results. Designed for efficiency, reliability, and excellence, INSM 300 redefines metal 3D printing for businesses looking to scale their manufacturing capabilities. Experience the next generation of metal additive manufacturing with the INDOMAKE INSM 300.